Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinas with Lourdes. Another question for cours civique, okay? Cours civique questionnaire. Okay, formation civique, again with démarche administrative, okay? Pour connaître le fonctionnement de la société française. How to know the French society functions, okay? Question. À quoi sert principalement un compte bancaire en France? À quoi sert principalement un compte bancaire en France? What is a bank account mainly used for in France? Okay? Principal. Yung principal. Yung EN will be AN. Okay? Principal. Okay? Principal. A. Recevoir un salaire et effectuer des démarches. Okay, to receive a salary and complete administrative procedures. B. Remplacer une carte d'identité to replace your identity card. C. To avoid filing a tax return, éviter toute déclaration fiscale. Et D. Obtenir automatiquement la nationalité, to automatically obtain nationality. What is your answer, please? Est-ce que c'est A, B, C ou D? We'll see. Okay, the correct answer is, the correction is A, réponse A. Recevoir un salaire et effectuer des démarches. To receive a salary and complete procedures, okay? So that we have the salary there is directly in our account. And here, okay, justification. Un compte bancaire permet de déposer de l'argent, recevoir un salaire, payer des factures et faciliter de nombreuses démarches administratives. Which is true. A bank account makes it possible to deposit money, receive wages, pay bills directly, and complete many administrative procedures that you can pay directly using our bank. Okay, I hope it's clear. So, it's very important to have a account here in France because we pay many things with the bank with card, and here they always use card, and now they don't want to accept cash or liquid or cash. They prefer the carte bleue. Okay, so I hope it's clear, and hope please don't forget to like, subscribe at mag-comment po for more videos. Merci, au revoir, à demain peut-être. Ciao, ciao.